How to fix your device date is inaccurate in WhatsApp on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, if you want to use the WhatsApp application on your iPhone but you are not able to use the application because you are facing this kind of problem, then keep watching this video because in today's short video I'll tell you how you can solve this problem on your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, to solve this problem, first go to the settings application. After opening the settings application, make sure that your iPhone is connected to the internet. After confirming this, now scroll down and click on privacy and security and then click on location services and turn it on. After turning it on, now go back to the main settings menu. Scroll to the top and click on General. After clicking on the General, now find date and time settings and tap on it. Here, first turn off set automatically and then make sure that the date and time zone in your iPhone is correct. If it is not correct, correct it. So first I will correct the time zone which is not correct on my iPhone. After that, fix the date and time if it is not correct. Now go back to the home screen and open the WhatsApp application and check if the inaccurate date and time issue is resolved or not. So you can see that the problem has been solved. WhatsApp has opened very easily.